My Lord, I've just been informed by Advocate Mnisi that Mr. Mngomezulu is not here, and they wanted to discuss his situation in chambers with the court. Can we maybe just adjourn for a short while just to discuss his situation in chambers?
Why is he not here?
Well, I think my colleagues are in a better position to answer to that question. He hasn't communicated with me this morning, ma'am.
Because yesterday, I'm being petty maybe. I expected Mr. Mngomezulu, after this court had granted him leave to be absent for 3 days, whatever. That's yesterday he would come and tell me, this is the treatment which I received. My doctor said this and that and that and that. Now he just ignored me. Are you aware of that, Mr. Msip?
The fact that he ignored the court, madam.
Yeah, he ignored me. I would have expected him.
Yes, madam.
I mean, it's decency and courtesy and decorum
It's ethical.
to say, yes, I'm sorry, I inconvenienced the court, but you know, I had this illness, my doctor says he'll attend to it, blah, 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 blah. That type of thing. I just ignored me.
That is correct.
Now I must come and discuss about him now.
I'm requesting an indulgence, as my colleague has indicated, madam, that we come and brief the court in chambers with regard to
Okay,
this.
let's meet.